said you'll never have peace until you let them go. I know this is not easy. When you don't forgive people, we do that as a defense mechanism. I know they cheated, they betrayed you, they destroyed the marriage, they destroyed the family, they ruined the business, they wounded you, they left you in tears in one season. They stole your virginity, you'll never get that back. Forgiveness is not for them. Forgiveness is for you to be free. It's to get out of the prison you have been in your soul. Too many of us watching me across that camera. You've been in a prison for months. You've been in a prison for years. You've been in a prison for decades. No, they don't deserve it. Neither did you. You're still stuck in that season. He wants you to evict them from your heart. Is the blood of Christ enough to pay for what they did?